Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ski here. Today we're gonna do a full body routine because I always plug this in all my videos. What's my favorite routine that I talk about day and night? Full body, and I'll leave the link to it on the Gumroad in the first link in the description so you can download it. This is the best beginner routine you can do. And what's the reason is because when you first start out lifting in the gym, you don't want to do too much volume right off the bat, right? It's the same concept with dieting. I always say when you cut, you want to cut as many calories as possible. You don't want to start dieting on 1,000 calories because after you plateau, you have to go even lower. So it's the same concept with bodybuilding. You want to do as little volume as possible for the first few months, and that way as your muscles adapt, you increase the amount you're doing, and then eventually you can do more frequent full body routines or push-pull legs, whatever you want. But this is, if you're starting in the gym, the best routine you can do. I've been working out for a few years and I still do it. I'm going to show you guys the A to Z, warming up, stretching, 6 compound movements. So let's get right into it.
All right, before we start the workout, typical influencer stuff, guys, that I have to plug. If you like the bracelet, if you like the chain, that's Regiment code SKI for 15% off. But we're going to be using huge supplements pre code SKI for 10% off. I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth, but I'm plugging them to you guys. If you want them, you don't need supplements, but I'm gonna show you. This is the weaker pre, because Enraged actually was hella strong. So that one made me feel cracked out. I'm also gonna use Magnify. This is my favorite supplement from Huge by far. You guys are gonna see there's not a single vein. Zoom in on my arms. Bro, not a single vein on my arm right now. Watch, after I take this, just wait. And you're gonna see how both my arms turn into male genitalia. So anyways, we got the, whatever this is called, I don't even know the name because I never use it, as you've seen in my most recent videos. So single scoop, 6 of these pills, because you might be thinking, how am I gonna take 6 pills at once? But one thing that I taught my ex was the human throat can fit a lot more in it than you think. So don't doubt yourself, all right? Trust me on that one. Dump that hoe in there. Pablo Escobar powder. Let's have a great session, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, I stretched first. I stretched for like 10 minutes. Some people say don't stretch before the workout. I don't know why I like to do it. I like to stretch and then warm up and walk, right? The order you do it doesn't matter. There's probably more optimal ways. I stretch first, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I walk 5 minutes, get the blood flow going while I sip this. Then we're doing 6 compound movements, maybe gonna throw some abs in at the end. It's 3 sets on the routine, but the thing about the 3 sets is those are 3 working sets. What does that mean? Let me explain that. That doesn't count warm-up sets. So you wanna warm up as many sets as you need, 2, 3, 4. They don't really break the muscle down, they just get you warm so you can do the actual muscle tearing sets, which is 3 of those. Those are where you find a weight that's actually difficult, and then you do that for 3 sets. On the routine, when it says 3 sets, that doesn't mean 2 warm-up sets and then 1 medium set. It means you warm up. Once you have the hard set, you do that 3 times. That's how you're gonna grow. We're gonna finish this and then we're gonna get started with incline dumbbell press. Okay, for my top set, this is my last set, guys. I was using 70s. It says 3 sets of 10. This is how you need to be doing your reps. You don't wanna explode fast. I'm gonna show you guys how you have to control it on the way down, explode on the way up, and this is what your 10th rep should look like. 10 reps doesn't mean it should be an easy 10 reps. You should be struggling to get that 10. This is an example of a good muscle building set right here. 70s on incline. It's not the most weight, but doing it correctly will give you the most benefits and help you grow muscle. So check it out. This is how you want to do it. You want to come down like this and then explode. Come down slow. And that's 2. Come down. And that's 3. And that's 4. You gotta control the weight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's getting harder. And right here, 10. See how I control the weight on the way down, explode up, and I'm not freaking bouncing that off my chest trying to go to Snap City. And you see how it looked like I only had maybe 1 or 2 reps left in the tank? That's what I mean in my videos. When I say go to failure, you need to get at least that close. You shouldn't be finishing your final rep like you could be doing a podcast at the same time, bro. If you're not out of breath on chest, bro, a small muscle group, then you're not pushing it hard enough. Control the reps, get close to failure. That's how you should do for 3 sets. See you guys on the next one. All right, guys, we're doing Romanians. I already did a couple warm-up sets. We're doing 70s again. It was 3 sets. This is the last set. Same concept. This is how you want to go down. Especially with this exercise, you don't want to wreck your back. So you got to go careful. It's a hip hinge. So you keep the dumbbells close. You act like you're trying to push someone away with your ass cheeks, bro. And that's how you do it. Slight bend in the knees. You go down slow and you come up fast. This is 3, 4. This is how you're supposed to lift optimally so you don't wreck yourself. 5, 6, straight out, 7, 8. All right, so as you guys can see, 10 reps, and I made sure I'm struggling on the last couple, almost a failure. And I'm out of breath, so you can tell that's how hard your sets need to be. That's how your form should be, especially with a movement like this. Even if you're doing 20s lightweight form, it's subjectively hard for you, the weight. So people might say it's lightweight, but it's heavy for you. That's how you get bigger. That's how you get stronger. Don't be embarrassed. All right, tarps off, guys. Time to take the pump cover off, but really quick, if you like the pump cover I'm wearing, this is a new collection that's gonna... Actually, no. No, I'm not sponsored by a clothing company yet. Pump covers off. This is Shaka from the swap meet. Shaka swap meet wear, guys. Use code SKI for no discount because it's already discounted. All right. Almost pulled my hamstring right there. Holy shit, God. Third exercise, the last movement is lat pull downs for a set of 10. Check it out. When you do this, don't fucking do this, by the way, guys. Don't be doing this bullshit right here. If I see any of my followers doing that, I revoke your mask privileges, all right? You hit these clean sets. Like that. Ooh. That's the last one. Yep. Stairway to heaven or highway to hell. Depends. I don't know if you're a Lil Nas X fan. Comment below. Are you riding that pull down to the devil's butthole? Let me know. Woo! Bro, you guys are so lucky in the comment section that you can't smell me through the screen. There's no cap. That ski mask body odor is going crazy right now. And this is how you dismount when you're done with your lat pull down, guys. If you don't want to put the weight back nicely, you can just go like this. You just ride the elevator. Ride the elevator, guys, because we're going to the moon. Shoulder press. You can use dumbbells, but I'm tired of being over there, so we're just gonna use the machine. Your own little section. If you have a shoulder machine at the gym, use that. All that matters is how hard you make it. So 3 sets of 12, you go like this. 1. Or is that 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch this, watch this. 9. See how it's getting harder? This is how your sets should be. 10. 2 more. 11. 12. Yeah, that's how you make gains. That's how you do it. Pause the video, get a piece of paper out, and come back, because I'm not gonna have you write anything down. I just wanna see if you have discipline to get the paper, even if you won't need it. Because that's how getting jacked is. Doing a bunch of that you don't even know if you're supposed to be doing, until eventually you find out in the long run, wow, I didn't even have to be doing all that. I could have just simplified it and optimalized it. Incline curls, but look at the veins. You guys thought I was capping? Wait till we get to the posing room. The key on these is let your arm hang low, like you're going flaccid, and then erect. And then it'll hang low like an anteater, you know what I mean? And then boom, erect. And that's how you're gonna send it. Look at these veins, bro. Code SKI, huge supplements, magnify, so you can magnify that tiny penis. Just kidding. SKI, you're so jacked and handsome. Oh my God, SKI. SKI, you're so hot. You're such a Chadwick Boseman, SKI. Ah, there you go. That's how the last rep should be. Like when you're pumping out and you're just close to finishing and your girl goes, don't stop. What are you gonna do? You're gonna stop in that moment? You squeeze out the extra couple reps, because failure is not just a gym mindset. It's in the bedroom, it's in the workplace, it's at school, it's everywhere. It's in the walls. All right, last exercise, seated overhead extension. You should do it with a bench that supports your back. But for unspoken reasons, take a guess, lol. I will not be doing that. So we're gonna use this opportunity to strengthen our core while other people strengthen their vocal cords. And we're gonna fucking pump these out. This is a warm-up set, by the way. So, yeah. You could try it, use it as a challenge if you want. Do it without a back support, but if you're a beginner, don't, because this could happen to you. You could end up like this with that in your head. Oh yeah. Yep. We play with death out here. 2. Thank you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. was a struggler. That's me smelling my nutsack. Oh. That's not slime, I'm not gang affiliated. You know why they call it a hamstring? Why? Because it's hanging on by a thread that's about to tear.
Okay, that's the end of the workout. I'm not gonna show me doing abs. I want you guys to take my word for it that I did do abs after the camera turned off. You should throw in abs. Don't be like me, I hurt my lower back because I never trained core because I was a whore back in the day. And you know, I thinned my back out. Only whores don't train core. Put it on your shirt. Throw abs at the end of this routine. This was day 2 in the full body training split. So as you can see, look, I wasn't capping about the veins either. So shout out Huge Supplements, shout out Regiment. First link in the description will be the routine. Download it for free. I still do this routine, bro. Like, I don't care what anyone says. This is a solid routine. It's a good routine. You can get jacked on it. Try it for yourself, especially if you're a newbie. Even intermediate, even advanced, doesn't matter. Send it on the routine. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get an idea of how the exercises should look, how to progressive overload, how many sets you should really be doing aside from the warm sets, all the stuff, A through Z, W, X, Y, elemental P. And this is Ski signing out. Let's create the best version of ourselves to give to the world. Okay, peace.